I am Hare Ram and this is your Overflow. Today we will see how to create a Python script that can automate simple UI tasks. Not only this, we'll generate test reports and using that only prompts. So let's start.
Here I have one MCP agent.py file, and what this does is we will look into that, but first let's read readme.file. So this project is an automated testing framework that uses Playwright with model context protocol and integrates with AI models for test execution. The framework reads test scenarios from a prompt file and executes them using Playwright automation. So feature is Playwright based web automation testing, integration with AI model, Google's Gemini or Olama you can use, prompt driven prompt driven test execution, and then HTML report generation. So here what we need is we need definitely Python and then Playwright. We can use this one, and this is for using Gemini. You need Google API key, and you can set Google API key in your environment variable. Then you have to do something like pip install, then these things, and or there is a requirement.txt file, you can use this one. Next we have configuration. So in the inside .env file you can set Google API key, and your API key is here, and then um, let's see next. So this is prompt.empty file. So what it is here is first it is instructions. Enter the website URL and project provide step to step instructions. Now this is prompt here, and this is output. Playwright will execute the steps, and report code will be generated and included in result in the HTML format. Now we have MCP agent.py, and here this is config, and this is MCP client dot from it. You are using the config. First we'll see here for MCP client and MCP agent we are using MCP use, and then here it is LangChain Google Gen AI, importing chat Google generative AI from there, and this is load environment. And then we have something called here we are creating LLM, and then we are using Gemini 2.5 Pro, and then we have agent MCP agent, and then here we are reading the prompt file. Here we are reading the prompt.md file, and then we are here result equal to agent.run, and then prompt content. Then we have file agent. Then we are file agent. We are here. What we are doing is this one output.html, and this is something called as the Python script. So here what it actually doing is it is taking result and writing in output.html file, and then we are uh, okay to go. So I have what I have done is I will use requirement.txt to show. So let's do here, copy this and paste it here. First we can create environment Python, I have already one environment, but I will create another to show uh, how it works. So let's create the environment, and then my env slash scripts slash activate. Then we have something called as pip install hyphen r requirement.txt. Now it is completed. So what we'll do is we'll try to run the prompt. So here is saying it should go to first navigate to youtube.com, then search for erase overflow, then redirect to expect redirect to here, and uh, page contains erase overflow. Then click on the erase overflow first YouTube channel, and text should be visible here. Then let's run this a simple test case. Uh, so here it is opening youtube.com. Then next it is searching for erase overflow. Next it is clicked the erase overflow
Hey
YouTube
everyone, I
channel.
am Harera and this is Overflow. Here we provide solutions.
Then it generated some HTML, and that is written into this output.html file. Now what I will do is I will just run this. So here we'll see beside this step 1 navigate expected this is passed, this is also passed, and this is also passed. So this is report generated. So thanks for watching. Stay connected to your overflow.